Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And today we're doing plat versus copper part 1. That's our peaks, I guess. Well, bronze. Well, you can't talk to them. You guys can't hear them, but I can. They're doing a custom. I'm watching. I'll give $5 to whoever will win. So, Blixer is the plat, and he's using only secondary. And Brayden is using regulars only, so I think this is gonna be closer than I think. I don't know. I think Luxar is gonna destroy him. 4-0. Yeah, I think he will too. I don't have my camera on because I don't have a shirt or anything on. Well, let's get into it. Alright. Uh, alright, so no big, okay, no big window only, okay. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Oh, wait, really? You should not change your op, bro.
Attackers need to locate and defuse bombs.
I don't know why you would, bro. I don't know what this guy's doing. Okay, nice. Uh, oh my god, bro. Why are you putting it in the middle? Yeah, it's good though. No, bro. No. No, bro. Oh. Oh yeah, you're right. I forgot about that. You can only use secondaries. And I'm also gotta repeat sometimes because you can't hear them. Ooh. Why? Oh. Ooh. Okay. I'm not doing it like that. I'm doing. Okay. Oh. Wow. Oh my god. Yo, you dropped the future, by the way. Okay, so the copper's up right now. That was, right there, what? Eh, yeah. I don't know about all strategy. That was a little bit of luck, but you still gotta give it to him, though. You're gonna one-tap him? Alright. See, right now, guys, we're talking a lot of trash to each other. So it's getting heated. And, let's see who comes on top.
Attackers need to locate and defuse as many bombs as they can.
Wait, what is your sensitivity? Hold up, wait. Do it like a 360? Oh my god, what the? Oh my god, bro. Dang. Oh. About to say, if that's controller, that's bad. I think you heard a drone. I don't think he... Okay, never mind. You were terribly wrong. My bad, guys, if y'all can't hear him. Maybe next time we'll work on seeing that, if y'all can hear him. But alright. Yeah, I can't. I can only do like 4 ways. Okay. Ooh. If y'all like the ooh, so let's look at the farm over here. It's a nice farm with the trees. Yeah, yeah, you're right. I should be spectating you guys. Hmm. Yo, Aiden, you realize he'll probably know where that's at. That's a common place to put it now. It used to be good. Oh yeah, that is true. He is pretty bad. Remember, he is a peak bronze, so that is pretty bad. I'm working on. Hold up. I'm trying to figure out. Nope. Nope. That's not right. Hold up. Can I switch to that? No. Oh, I can. Oh, okay. Yeah. I found out what to do. I think. Okay. Alright, guys, for changing the view. Okay. See, that's nice. Okay. That bullet. Tridax, hurry. Hmm. Okay. It's actually hard to watch. Oh my god. What are we doing? Yo, you realize you can't see him right there. If you are what you say you are, a superstar. Why is it doing that? Hold up, my bad. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. I'll never see it coming. It's a minute left. You have like 5 minutes on this, bro. Alright, y'all good right now? You know Telly's bronze? Yeah, he. No, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. I know what you're about to do, don't. Don't. No, no, you can do secondaries. Yeah. Oh, and he crouched on you. I just seen that replay. You gotta get the revenge, bro. Huh. This is, okay. Not the smartest, but it's okay. I'm gonna check out some of the stream, okay?
Attackers need to locate and defuse bombs.
Hmm.
Attacker's objective is to defuse a bomb.
My bad, guys. What the? Double-sided no mirror? Okay. Ain't gonna work. Yo, look above you. Aiden, look above you. Hi. I think, cause you're shooting, I think he can find out who you are. I think you know who he's lying. Hibano. Wow. Did you just say Hibana? Tom Brady. Only third round though, honestly, that's. Ooh. Ooh, he took a lot. Eh. Wow. So right now, guys, the bronze is winning. Um, Yo, so 3-0 right now. Maybe Aiden can come back. I just fell off, my bad, guys, my bad.
Defenders, protect your bombs from being defused by attackers.
Wait, are you even doing secondary still? That's kind of unfair, bro. You're flat,
10
bro.
seconds left.
You gotta.
5 seconds left before insertion.
All right, well, if you lose
Attackers
this,
are moving out to locate a bomb and defuse it.
I gotta give Braden $5. Whoever wins $5. I'll do these hopefully weekly. I'll do these with anybody weekly, hopefully. Yeah, sure, he's going there. Nice.
Attackers have located a bomb.
Yo, I honestly don't know if you're trying. I think you are. I mean, cause you crowd. Really? Oh. Yo, cause if you're not doing secondaries only, and you still lose, bro, you gotta quit the game. Yo, look above you. Yo, look above you. It goes to 6. Yeah, 6. It's 6. To make the video longer for you guys. And I'm posting this on YouTube, and you can watch it, I guess, if you want. The loser probably won't want to. Yo, that's actually really risky, Brayden. Yeah, but, dude, if he does see you, you're cooked. Yo, Aiden, if you look above you, I'm staring like directly above you right now. No, that's not what bro, my camera angle is directly above him. He's not roaming. He's indeed not roaming. Yes. Yes. What do you mean you're washed, bro? Come on, you're flat. You got this. And yo, also, cause you had to go to regular guns for you, Aiden. If you win, you gotta go to $4, cause you change it from secondaries to regular. So everywhere but where he's at, bro. I swear. You don't need to be confused. You're good. What are we doing, bro? Like, what are we doing? No, not you. What is this 1v1? I swear, bro. about to fall asleep. Yes. He barely moved this whole entire time. He's just been droning. Hmm. How many drones do you have? Oh, he heard that. You've you've awoken the beast. Hmm. I don't know. Hold up. How would I go to you? If you play this smart, you may be able to do this. Dude, you've been doing this one round for 5 minutes pretty much. Dude, you're you're a little.
Seconds to go. 10 seconds left.
Gotta do something here. What are you gonna do?
5 seconds remaining.
Oh, 1 to 3 now. Okay. All right. So the plat is starting to lock in. Yo, TTP Braden or just Braden? Here's the thing that you're doing. You're wasting all the like 6 minutes, bro. Like you gotta start moving on a time. Because 6 minutes of sitting there droning, bro. Pretty much. You gotta make a move and stay with it. You know. Um. Mm, yeah.
Attackers need to locate and defuse as many bombs as they
That's not
can.
my sister. That's my sister. I mean, uh, you could say that y'all are a little identical. Yeah, good luck. It's good luck.
insertion. 5 seconds left before insertion.
What is this?
10
Yo, no,
seconds
no,
to
no, no, no.
locate a
What is
bomb
this,
and
bro?
defuse it.
Brayden, Brayden. You can tell this guy is his rank. This guy's definitely bronze. This guy's definitely bronze. Alright, after this, I'm going to bed. It is currently 1 in the morning. That's nice. I don't think you should go up there. I think I know what you're doing. What do you mean, bro? Hold on, hold on. Do that again? I got a close up on you right now. I like that. Smart. You're messing with his brain right now. mm. Mm. Wow. Oh my god, dude. Oh, he shot your body. Dude, that did kind of shoot your body. Dang, bro. Come on. Come on, Aiden. No, you gotta lock in. Lock in. Lock in. Lock in. Alright. Guys, when we load in, I'm gonna get a cosmic brownie, and I'll be
Attackers
back.
need to locate and defuse bombs.
So, what has happened while I was gone? A lot. That's nice. So, what is this? Nice. This is an amazing setup. Setup. Do you? What do you mean for who? What do you? Yeah. Let Brayden break it for you. What made you think to play that operator, bro? Yes, you. That's who you decided with? Perfect. Hmm.
A bomb has been located.
My bad. It's just so good. You realize he doesn't really have a brain, so he doesn't really know where he's going. See, Brandon, that's what I mean. 3 minutes left. You're just throwing away time. It's not fun. Sure. Okay. Nice. Just do it. Just do it. Just quick, 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 quick. He actually gave me the time, by the way. You just found out that's a buck, bro. Nice. Yo, what is this Cade? Mbappe, bro. Yes. Cade Tech, nice. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, I was watching everything, bro. No, no, no. Let me see. He's not the best speak in the game. I can tell you don't talk to females. 50 seconds left, bro. 50 seconds. Like, yeah, you're actually playing very boring, and that's how you're pretty much winning. Yo, you're good. And just alerting him, nice.
Fifteen seconds to go.
15 seconds, bro. You're about to lose twice because you
10
don't have
seconds remaining.
time.
5 seconds to go.
Dang, bro. Whatever. Hold on, let me see that. Oh, oh, that's nice. Alright, 2 to 4. Is the comeback real? I don't know. Yeah, you were winning 3-0. Yeah. I'm sure my fan. Hold up.
Attackers need to locate and defuse bombs.
Alright, just to let you guys know, my stream is very behind.
10 seconds to go.
Yeah, like, very
5
behind.
seconds to
Like,
insertion.
probably like a minute.
Attackers' objective is to locate a bomb and defuse it.
Brayden, bro, I swear. Like... Dude, you don't have legs. Your legs are cut off. So, guys, it stopped for a couple minutes because, storage, so we're just doing the rest right now. Outside. If it does it again, I'm gonna delete that app. Mm. Yeah, sure. I'll drive a funky, so 1v1, not playing time game, bro. Hello, princess. Hold on, let me check. Uh, he's outside. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, bro! It's 4-4. Oh my god! Dude, this is closer than I thought. No, you cheated too. It's B Wars. How? Yeah, I know. I took money out of it. He's making four if he wants. Oh my, bro, that was Aiden, bro. That was nice. I can tell you're flat.
Defenders, protect your bombs from being defused by attackers.
Ah, ah, come on, come on, come on. Dude, it is like 1:30, bro. Yeah, I know, bro. This is why this stream, I'm just gonna post it tomorrow. Yeah, this is what I mean by you're playing time, Brayden. Like, I understand you're on defense, but what are we doing?
Attackers have located a bomb.
I thought there was only 6 minutes. Is it 7 or 8? Dude, that means, okay. Thought it was 6. Hey, Aiden, you're also roaming. You're not in sight. Well, I'm gonna actually find him. Where's he at?
Attackers are activating the bomb diffuser.
20 seconds left. I mean, yo, you realize it is quicker. Yo, yeah, here's the thing. If you also planted, you could do that too. Dude, he has to tell you? Yo, chat. Makes me sound like I'm crazy. Because it sounds like I'm talking to myself when I'm really not. No, that's the thing. They can't. I don't know why.
Attackers need to locate and defuse as many bombs as they can.
Oh, I see what Aiden's doing because he keeps on doing that. You playing the Mach 10?
10 seconds left.
Are you playing Mach 10?
Seconds to insertion.
I bet you do.
Attackers must
Can't wait
locate
till
and
this is
defuse the
over so I
bomb.
can just go to bed. Just post this tomorrow. I'm gonna say I'm probably gonna get up. Yeah, like 10 or 11. Wait, say that again? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna look at the posters. Family market. Huh. They got married? Oh. Um. The family right here. It's there then. That's cool. Yeah, I'm looking at the posters because Brayden's not doing much. He's just trying to drone. Plotting? Yo, just go in. You're sitting in a corner, bro. Like, do something. 4 minutes on them up, bro. My bad, guys. Happened again. Storage, so just to let you guys know that happened again. So, there's cuts to the thing, that's why. And that's what happened. So, I'm gonna try to fix that. And I'm about to yawn, because I'm tired. I heard a fart. Dude, actually do something. It's almost 2 a.m., bro. Come on. Yeah, it wasn't invincible. Dude, just do something, bro. Huh. Yo, 4 people are watching the stream right now. Yeah. Oh. Hold up. How much did you hit him for? Ooh. Hey, that ain't part of the rules, bro. You can't use your main. I'm sorry. You did it a couple times. You can't, bro. Unless you can knife him. You have to knife him then. Oh, dude. Can the bronze win it? Or can the plat win? Oh my god. 5-5. Mickey, okay. No, no, don't use your primary. Okay, nice. Okay, this is actually gonna be close. Yo, you were up 3-0, by the way. So You're 2-5 in the last
Attackers need to
7.
locate and defuse as many bombs as they can.
Sounds like a Steelers record. No, he has C4. Yo, he's and who doesn't play Mira Nitro Cell? Yo, guys, next video I'm doing is gonna be 100 alpha packs. All right, I told you to put it to the side, and you're actually doing it now. I like that. I like that, Braden. You listened. You're good. You're getting better at the game. Maybe you're silver level now. Now. Ugh. My bad, guys. Didn't have storage, so I cleared it at Brooklyn. Do it, Aiden. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Alright, guys, that was fun. Next week, we're doing another one. Alright, nice guys, GG's.